So, what is mock trial to you?
Mock trial is an organization where students are able to form teams of lawyers, witnesses, bailiffs, and clerks to put on an actual simulated case. I had the privilege of being an attorney in a case and a bailiff, and it was just a great experience to be in the courtroom in LA and to just give out all the things that we prepared for.
So, have you been to competition?
Yeah, I think we went in November.
How was that?
It was pretty cool. It was kind of a new experience because, it was an actual court, and there were actual lawyers and judges there actually grading us. So, I think that kind of added it was more real. It wasn't just like something put on by teenagers. It was actually a real courthouse. So that was really cool, and the actual preparation for it was hard, but at the end it was really rewarding just because of how far we got, seeing that we're a fairly new club. What is the hardest part about mock trial?
So the hardest part. Well, I guess for us because it was when I came in it was just starting it would be just actually starting up the whole club helping out like that because we had to go out, we had to get sponsors, raise the funds, figure out how we were gonna prep, how well we're gonna prep, and just Of course, hardest part was also one of the most rewarding parts though. What's the best part about mock trial?
Best part about mock trial is actually, I have to say the meetings, because even though since the past year we've exponentially grew, we started out with just barely a few people. We barely had enough to have one team go. We had to get volunteers from outside, and next year we have enough to actually have 2 teams enter. So seeing that we grew a lot, but at the same time we're still small enough that everyone knows each other. So I have to say the meetings are really cool because it's a place where we all we help each other out. The older kids, we help the little kids out, and it's kind of that safe environment that you go to just to hang out. It's fun, and at the same time we just learn, and it's like the perfect size, not too big but not too small. So how has mock trial changed you?
See, well, for one thing, it's made me more confident, especially after having to go up there, play my part in front of an actual judge and all those lawyers, and also keep my cool when the other side would ask me questions. I really had to learn to stay confident despite everything. How's mock trial changed your life?
Mock trial changed my life. I've only been in the club since it started a year ago, and since then it's kind of it made me more confident, I'd say, because that's what I've been learning every time I go to trial or every time I practice is how to say something in front of people and how to make it sound good. So that said, I think that's really helped me in my life, just make me more confident, help me have better rhetoric when I talk to people. So yeah.
So how did you prepare for mock trial?
We prepared for mock trial. We met weekly. Every Wednesday we met for about 2 to 3 hours, and as we got closer to the competition day, we trained almost every day for a couple of hours. So what we do is we wrote down questions for our witnesses, opening statements, closing statements, cross-examination questions, and we just practiced and perfected those questions to make sure that they were flawless and that we were well prepared for the actual competition.
So how's mock trial changed your life?
Mock trial has changed my life because now I have an understanding of our legal system, and now I can apply what I learned to mock trial in my everyday activities such as school, public speaking, just interacting with people. And now that I know by participating in mock trial that I definitely want to become an attorney and become a litigator and do what I've learned in mock trial and apply it to real life.
All right, thank you for your time.
Thank you.